Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre, Farrugia and Stuart.
Hello.
Because today I'm not with Angelo and with Paka. Today we are at Buskett. How beautiful it is. We are with the whole group today which will guide us. And we're going from here to Girgenti. Here we can find a nice picnic area. This is Buskett Woodlands. We are going the way up to Palazzo Verdala, and here one can find a lot of orange trees. Now we are walking into the road and we are going around Palazzo Verdala. We have some dogs today, we have three. We have the famous Wendy and I forgot the other name, but the friendly ones, and we have a new one today which I will try to introduce you later. There is the Palazzo Verdala and we are still going down the road here to Girgenti. Here we have Ranier again, and this is Wendy. We have Wendy again, Wendy. And here we have Fardel and Lona. And we have one in front. Wendy. Say hello, Wendy. Say hello. Here we have a problem with our guide. It's running too fast for us. Up there, there's the cross, and I think we have to go up there. It's called Salib Tal-Gholja, the cross on the hill. Daniel, where we are going now?
To
Girgenti, but we are going up the hill or not? Yes. What do you think, Stuart? No hill?
Of course.
Good, no? Somehow. Huh?
It's coming. Not now. But at the end.
But they are used to hear me puffing now, Daniel. So at least I make them courage to go out as well.
Yes.
Well, we are on the road to Girgenti. I fall a little bit back so I don't have so much people talking. Maybe you can hear the silence and the birds here. Look how beautiful here it is. Huh? Today we don't have cliffs and sea views, huh? But it's still a beautiful place here. Scarlett, hey, Scarlett. Here we have Wendy again, huh? Yeah? And here we have Luna. Well, now we are going to visit Madonna Tal-Girgenti. Have Jovin and Mark here.
Hello.
Jovin and Mark. Yeah, Jovin doesn't come from the war. Eh?
No, he's still going.
Have fun. We have our Bigal. Shanna Bigal, hey. He's my best friend. Eh? We used to do a lot of adventures, but not like this. Then we have Daniel, Lawrence, Noel. We have Johnny, Fardel, and Stuart there. Eh? Let's go to visit. This is Madonna Tal-Girgenti. Eh? Look how beautiful this place is. Something interesting about this place is that here they say they seen the Holy Mary. That's why they have this small shrine here, and where people come to pray. So now let's continue our hike. Eh? Now we are going to the Ferla Cross. Come on, Wendy and Luna. Okay. So we have to go uphill now. Now is that part of the vlog where you will start hearing me puffing. Wendy, no problem, it's pulling even Ranier, And Luna is not pulling for now. He is pulling her. Luna doesn't want to go up. Wendy till now is pushing, eh? Wendy, what do you think? You're puffing as well? Going up the hill? Yeah, Wendy? It's hard, yeah? Here we're still going up. It's a very high incline and not even terrain. There's the Ferla Cross in front. This is where we came from. La Ferla Cross, Salib Tal-Gholja. Here's being restored. And finally, we're on top of the hill. The side of the La Ferla Cross, there's a very old chapel being restored. Now we're going to stop for a short break. Here you can see the old chapel, the cross, and here these beautiful flowers. That's I know why there is the cross there. So you can pray God to help you go up. So now we're heading to Gebel Ciantar with the group. Look what we have here. How strange, you. No idea why there is this. Unfortunately, we're going downhill, which means we have to go up again. Wendy, again. Look, I saw this on the TV. This is miles to Valletta, but I heard that they changed some roads and they removed
That's right.
the miles. It's nice, oh. Look how it looks. One here further, and the others in front. Look the view from here. I don't know if you can see Filfla there, but the views are amazing. Yeah. Now let's continue on. Here you can find a Maltese Ghar. It was like a tiny farmhouse inside the field. Here, under here we are nearly at Gebel Ciantar. We are getting nearly at Gebel Ciantar. Gebel Ciantar is there. Look, the view from here. There's Filfla there. Here, it's riddled with caves. Very interesting part. Here, we have our guide Daniel. You're checking the map, Daniel? Going to take a photo. This beautiful place. And now it's time for puffing again. We're going to start going up the hill. This is under Gebel Ciantar. Now we're going up, but look at the view from here. The chapel. We stopped a little. Look at the views from here. We are at Gebel Ciantar now. Look, Dingli Cliffs. The radar station. There is Skull Cave, we did last time. It's amazing, here. And now we're going to explore a little bit Gebel Ciantar. Here at Gebel Ciantar we'll find this inscription in the wall. N-A-Z-A. L. And if I'm not mistaken, this was done by some military forces that were here in Malta. I'm not sure it's from New Zealand. And then if we go up here, we'll find Gebel Ciantar. And some of the features here are those cisterns here. Either for food or for water. There's plenty of them. You see how many there are here. And here we'll find. And here it's one. And the view. The view from here. Now here is Gebel Ciantar. Look, that is the radar station. This is where they used that cave, where I did the skull cave, and from the debris, but you cannot see it there. They didn't clean it. It's still as it was. It's skull cave. What a pity. So now let's continue on our way. 12k. It was a very long walk this time, but hopefully we're getting near our final destination because I'm getting tired. Yeah. Now we are in the wild. Yeah. What do you think?
Yes.
With
Now the adventures begin.
with mud after 12 kilometers,
And there
the adventure begins. This how we have to take it slowly.
we are in the wild now. We can meet some dangerous animals, prehistoric animals.
And I have to put the camera down because I have to climb the wall now. Look.
Yes.
Now we have arrived at il-Kbir, which is the Grand Cave, and here there are Cape Junction Cart Ruts. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have a whole video about this site. Here it's called ir-rih, the Grand Cave. It's a whole cave complex. Look how big it is. These are our caves here. And as I told you, I have a whole video about this location. Then when we go there, there is the Cart Ruts, and up there's Palazzo Verdala. It's our final destination. We nearly made it to our destination. We are at Buskett again, me and Stu.
Hello.
Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.
See you.